The most expensive UAE coin, 50 cent, 1998. 50 cent, 1998. This is with the 1 dirhams, 1419. Ayan po, 50 cents po ito. 50 cents. UAE coin. Ayan. Yung isa, 1 dirhams, ito 50 cents. At saka, mayroon pa akong 1998 na 25 cents. Ayan po. Kompleto po sila. 1998, 25 cents, 1419. Puro parehas po ang Arabic calendars. Ito is 25 cents. UAE dirhams. Ayan po. 25 cents. Year 1998. Arabic calendar is 1419. Another one is the 50 cents. UAE dirhams. 50 cents. The same with year 1998, 1419 ang Arabic calendars. Puro parehas po sila 1998. Bali isang sheet na itong aking coin na UAE. 1 dirhams, 50 cents, 25 cents. Tatlo na po sila na 1998, the most expensive coin in UAE dirhams. Ayan po sila, kumpleto po ito sila. Yung isa 1 dirhams. Bali isang sheet na po sila. Marami pong salamat sa panunod. It's 1998 and 1998, 25 cents. Halos isang set na po sila. Isang set po itong hawak ko na most expensive UAE dirhams. Maraming salamat sa panunood. Thank you very much. And comment, advice are necessary.